Welcome, nature enthusiasts, to a mesmerizing journey into the heart of one of nature's most enchanting processes. In this captivating video, we're about to unveil the mesmerizing dance of honeybees as they embark on a mission to gather nature's sweetest treasure. Get ready to witness the harmonious collaboration between bees, blossoms, and the environment. From the humble beginnings of nectar collection to the delicate craftsmanship within the hive, we'll delve into the delicate transformation that turns raw nectar into the liquid gold we adore. Join us as we uncover the magic that occurs within each honeycomb cell, where nectar evolves into the exquisite sweetness that graces our tables. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer beauty of nature's alchemy as we witness the final step, the extraction and bottling of this pure, golden goodness. From morning toast to drizzling over desserts, honey has woven itself into the fabric of our lives. It's not just a product, it's a testament to the delicate balance and artistry of the natural world. So, if you're ready to be captivated by the delightful process of crafting honey and uncovering nature's sweet nectar creation, hit that play button and let's dive in. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more awe-inspiring explorations of the world around us.